For an EJ, ta false roof. Okay, number 19. If this is your first video, start with lesson 1. It's a series of lessons. You have to do them in order. And if you're an old hand, let's get started. So, can you remember how to say, what are you doing tomorrow? Say, I'll be in Dublin. Be me maile clia. Say, I have to go to Dublin with my daddy. Caithfidh me gul go baile clia le my yadji. Do you remember how to say in Donegal? I Tír Chonaill. I Tír Chonaill. So, can you say, I'll be in Donegal? Be me I Tír Chonaill. Say, I have to go to Donegal with my mummy. Caithfidh me gul go Tír Chonaill le my wammy. Go Tír Chonaill. You hear that slight sound difference? I Tír Chonaill and go Tír Chonaill. Say again. I have to go to Donegal. Caithfidh me gul go Tír Chonaill. Can you remember, what are you doing in the summer? Gye tatu yanu satauru. Say, I'd like to go to Spain. But why liom gul go in Spain? But we are going to Donegal. Ach, tamad gul go Tír Chonaill. Now, what about, where are you? Cá bhfuil tú? Say, I'm in Newry. Tá me in Newry Contra. Good. Now ask, where were you? Cá raibh tú? Ask, where were you yesterday? Cá raibh tú inné? Can you ask, where were you in the summer? Cá raibh tú sa todhraú? Now say, I was in Spain. Bhí me sa Spáin. Can you remember the word for I saw? Honnick me. Good. Say, I saw a castle. Honnick me Cashlan. Say, I saw a big castle. Honnick me Cashlan more. But it was too hot. Ach bhí sé rátha. So now I ask, what was the weather like? Could you bhí in Hampshire? Good. So we've just done it was too hot. Can you say it was cold? Bhí sé fearr. And now say it was good. Bhí sé maith. Say, or sorry, ask, where were you in the summer? Cá raibh tú sa todhraú? Say, I was in Donegal. Bhí me Tír Chonaill. What was the weather like? Could you bhí in Hampshire? Say, it wasn't too good. Ní raibh sé rómhaith. Say it was cold. Bhí sé fearr. Say it was too cold. Bhí sé rómhuair. But it was warm in the pub. Ach bhí sé ché sa pub. So now we're going to use one of those words. Do you remember the word for good? Right, maith. we're going to use that for expressing our opinion, saying we like something. And we're going to say, it's good with me. And that's is liom. Just repeat that. Is liom. Say, I like Donegal. Is liom Tír Chonaill. Can you say or ask again, what are you doing in the summer? Could you tatu a Janu sa tauru? Say, we are going to Spain. Táid you gulgají in Spain? And now say, I like Spain. Is liom in Spain? Now ask again, what are you doing tomorrow? Could you tatu a Janu amarach? Say, I'll be in Dublin. Bei me in Malliclia. Say, I have to go to Dublin with my daddy. Caithfidh me gul go Balliclia le miaji. Can you say, I like Dublin? Is liom Balliclia. Now how do you think you would say, I don't like? Ní liom. Good stuff. How would you say, I don't like Belfast? Ní liom Belfast. But I have to go to Belfast with my mummy. A caithfidh me gul go Belfast le mawami. Say, we'll be in Belfast tomorrow. Bei much in Belfast amarach. Can you ask again, what are you doing in the summer? Could tatu a Janu sa tauru? Say, I'd like to go to Spain. But liom gulgají in Spain? But we're going to Donegal. Ach táid a gul go Tír Chonaill, go Tír Chonaill. Say, I like Donegal. Is liom Tír Chonaill. Can you remember how to say the beach? And tra. So now say, I like Donegal, but I don't like the beach. Is liom Tír Chonaill, ach ní liom an tra. Say, I like the pub. Is liom an pub. Now, so we've had is liom and ní liom. To say I prefer, that's going to be is fearr liom. Is fearr liom. Right? So say, I like the beach. Is liom an tra, but I prefer the pub. Ach is fearr liom an pub. Ask again, what are you doing in the summer? Could you tatu a Janu sa tauru? Say, I'd like to go to Dublin. But liom gul go Balliclia. But we have to go to Spain. A caithfidh gul gají in Spain. Say, I like Spain, but I prefer Dublin. Is liom in Spain? Ach is fearr liom Balliclia. Say, I was in Spain, but it was too hot. Bhí me sa Spain, ach bhí sé róthaí. Say, we saw a big castle. Tháinig muid Cashlan mór. Say, I like Belfast, but prefer Derry. Is maith liom Béal Feirste agus fearr liom deireadh? I ask, have you got time tomorrow? And will agad amárach? Say, I have time now, but I'll be in Belfast tomorrow. Tá agam inis, ach bé mé in Béal Feirste amárach. I have to go to Belfast with my mummy. Caithfidh mé go Béal Feirste le mo bhfamí. I like Belfast, but I prefer Donegal. Is maith liom Béal Feirste agus fearr liom Tír Chonaill? I don't like Newry. Ní maith liom Uirc an Trá. I prefer Dublin. Is fearr liom Baile Clia. Okay, we'll stop before I offend anyone else. Maith sibh.